In the aftermath of a breakup, one of the most agonizing questions that lingers in our minds is, are you on their mind? The pain of separation can be overwhelming, leaving us yearning for a connection that has been severed. While there's no definitive answer to this question, the no-contact rule emerges as a powerful tool for self-healing, emotional detachment, and potentially rekindling a lost love. Have you ever found yourself wondering if your ex is thinking about you? Do you find yourself constantly checking your phone, hoping for a message or call? Do you feel like you can't move on from the relationship because you're still holding on to hope that they'll come back? If so, you're not alone. The pain of a breakup can be all-consuming, and it can be difficult to imagine a future without your ex. But what if there was a way to take control of your emotions and start to heal? What if there was a way to make your ex miss you and want you back? The no-contact rule may be the answer you've been looking for. The no-contact rule involves cutting off all forms of communication with your ex-partner, including phone calls, texts, social media interactions, and in-person encounters. This period of silence, typically recommended for 90 days, serves several crucial purposes. Firstly, it provides a much-needed space for healing and emotional processing. The absence of your ex allows you to confront the pain of the breakup without the constant reminder of their presence. This space fosters introspection, enabling you to gain a clearer understanding of the relationship and your own needs. Secondly, the no-contact rule can rekindle feelings of attraction and desire. The scarcity of your presence can make you more appealing to your ex, as the human mind tends to crave what it can't have. This period of absence can spark curiosity and a longing for the connection that once existed. Thirdly, the no-contact rule offers an opportunity for self-discovery and personal growth. Time away from your ex allows you to focus on your own well-being, rekindle passions, and pursue personal goals. This self-improvement can enhance your self-esteem and make you a more attractive and fulfilling partner in the future. Implementing the no-contact rule effectively requires unwavering commitment and self-discipline. To ensure its success, consider the following tips. Tip #1. Inform close friends and family about your decision and request their support in maintaining the no-contact rule. Tip #2. Resist the urge to check your ex's social media profiles, as it can trigger emotional distress. Tip #3. Engage in activities that bring you joy and allow you to discover new interests. Tip #4. Seek professional help if you find yourself overwhelmed by emotional turmoil. The no-contact rule can be a challenging yet rewarding experience. By following these tips and remaining committed to the process, you can emerge from this period of self-discovery with a renewed sense of self, enhanced emotional well-being, and a clearer perspective on your future. While the no-contact rule may not guarantee reconciliation with your ex, it undoubtedly provides a path towards healing, self-discovery, and personal empowerment. Embrace this period of silence as an opportunity to rediscover yourself and emerge from the breakup stronger, wiser, and ready for a brighter future. As you embark on this journey of self-reflection and healing, remember that you are not alone. Many people have successfully navigated the no-contact rule and emerged stronger and more resilient. Embrace the support of loved ones, seek professional help if needed, and lean into your inner strength and resilience. During this period, it's crucial to maintain healthy relationships with your friends and family. Their unwavering support and encouragement can provide a much-needed anchor amidst the emotional turmoil. Engage in activities that bring you joy and laughter, whether it's catching up with old friends, exploring new hobbies, or simply enjoying quality time with those who cherish you. Prioritizing your physical and mental well-being is paramount during this transformative phase. Engage in regular exercise, whether it's brisk walks, invigorating yoga sessions, or a heart-pumping workout at the gym. Nurture your body with a wholesome diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Embrace relaxation techniques like meditation and deep breathing to calm your mind and alleviate stress. Use this time of solitude to delve into self-reflection and personal growth. Journal your thoughts and emotions, exploring the patterns and underlying reasons behind them. Identify areas where you can grow and develop, whether it's enhancing your communication skills, strengthening your self-esteem, or cultivating deeper self-acceptance. As you navigate this journey of self-discovery, remember that setbacks are inevitable. There may be moments when you feel tempted to break the no-contact rule or when doubts cloud your mind. In these instances, practice self-compassion and acknowledge your feelings without judgment. Remind yourself of your reasons for initiating the no-contact rule and reaffirm your commitment to your personal growth. Throughout this process, maintain a positive outlook and focus on the opportunities for personal transformation. Visualize the person you aspire to be, embodying the qualities you admire and the values that resonate with your true self. Embrace this period of self-discovery with an open mind and a willingness to evolve. The no-contact rule is not about punishment or manipulation. It's about reclaiming control over your emotions, fostering self-growth, and potentially rekindling a relationship with a renewed perspective and a stronger sense of self. As you embark on this journey, remember that you are worthy of love, happiness, and fulfilling relationships. Embrace the power of self-discovery and emerge from this experience stronger, wiser, and ready to embrace the future with open arms. While the no-contact rule may not guarantee reconciliation with your ex, it undoubtedly provides a path towards healing, self-discovery, and personal empowerment. Embrace this period of silence as an opportunity to rediscover yourself and emerge from the breakup stronger, wiser, and ready for a brighter future. Remember, the no-contact rule is not a race to the finish line. It's a journey of self-discovery and emotional growth. Honor the process, embrace the challenges, and celebrate the triumphs. As you navigate this transformative phase, remember that you are not alone. Lean into the support of loved ones, seek professional help if needed, and cherish the power within you to heal, grow, and thrive. As you step into the next chapter of your life, carry with you the lessons learned, the resilience forged, and the newfound strength you've cultivated during this transformative period. Embrace the self-discovery that emerged from the depths of solitude, the unwavering support of loved ones who held you through the storms, and the inner strength that propelled you forward amidst the challenges. Remember, the no-contact rule was not about seeking revenge or manipulating your ex. It was about reclaiming control over your emotions, fostering personal growth, and honoring your worth. You have emerged from this experience stronger, wiser, and ready to embrace the future with open arms. As you navigate the uncharted waters that lie ahead, carry with you the newfound confidence that radiates from within. You have discovered the power of self-reflection, the resilience that lies at your core, and the transformative potential that resides within. Embrace the opportunities that await, the connections that will enrich your life, and the love that will nourish your soul. You are worthy of happiness, fulfillment, and relationships that resonate with your true self. As you move forward, remember that the no-contact rule was not an end, but a beginning. A catalyst for personal transformation, a stepping stone toward a life aligned with your deepest desires. Carry the lessons learned, the strength gained, and the self-discovery unearthed as you embark on this exciting journey of self-love, fulfillment, and limitless possibilities.